NCOGNTO. We got a little bit
time's
of
the charm.
Third time's the charm, as he says. So I don't know why I keep thinking of the Michael Jackson song, Black and White. It's just like the.
That's fair.
I can't sing it well,
fair.
but like that's the old. Like I can picture the whole video, but like I'd play it, but we can't on Twitch. Because I just kind of feel like it would just be amusing. Like, ha ha ha. So, do you want to start with black or white, NCOGNTO? Thanks, Sean. Either. All right. We'll go with white. All right, good luck. And I just noticed these have pull tabs on them.
Yes, they do.
Oh, that's cool.
Sigilith.
Yep, Sigilith. That's sick. Buffalont. That's so much easier. like, wait a minute. Because I'm like, these packs are really difficult to open. And then pull tab. Hidden in plain sight the whole time. Oh, he's just hiding. Like, I'm gonna get him. Oh, that's sweet. He's up on top of the mountain ready to fight. That's like really nasty. That is cool. All the waterfalls and stuff in the background. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, we got a Master Ball. Got the little deer on the Master Ball.
Oh, dearling, nice. Oh, we got sock too. Sick.
That one's really cool.
Yeah, the sock.
Oh, sweet. Reshy Ram on the full.
Very nice.
I'm hating myself for the last 2 days not realizing it was a pull tab. It's so much easier to open. Oh, it's fun. That actually makes a lot of sense.
Ferroseed.
The Pharisee would be like that. Like,
Yep.
I never really thought of it
Yep.
that way. I'm like, that actually makes a lot of sense. Really, really does. Like, yeah, that makes perfect sense that they would be like this. That's cool. Just walking through the forest.
Mm-hmm. The Dino.
Yep. The Dino, it's so cool.
We got this Wylos art rare earlier too.
Oh, nice.
Steve. Steve, we got the Dino.
Yeah.
We got the Dino walking through the forest.
That's a great one.
And we've got
It's another Percy.
for Incognito
Yep.
running it back.
Oh, Incognito.
We got the Pharisee.
Percy's a good one.
We got the Sigilith.
Sigil School.
We got the Sock.
Sock School. Not bad. And now we got what? Black Bolt.
Yep.
Yeah, it's Black Bolt
go.
time.
I saw you got some spots too, Cognito, in the group breaks.
Yep, for black and white. Yep.
Love to see it.
Yeah, give me literally 2 minutes.
This set is so much fun. Okay, let's see it. You'll like the TikTok. Did
Okay.
I tell you what it was?
No,
You'll like it.
it's a trend. That's all I know.
You don't have to do much. Your part.
Okay.
Do you want me to sleep? Well, you do that.
I'll be able to catch up. We're good.
Let's see it. Even just the normal.
The
I
normal
know,
card-
even just the base cards.
Just the base cards are like, look at this.
Yeah, they're just great.
Yeah, that's why I'm debating on master setting it. I'm just hating my life.
Ooh.
All right,
the
that's
teal.
but deal.
Oh, a little pedalo there.
I really like how they did the Pokeballs on these ones. Like the
The thing that I like about this pedalo, if you see at the bottom, it has the Pokeball on the
oh,
floor.
I didn't even notice that.
It has the
Pretty
Pokeball
cool.
on the floor.
That's a nice one.
That's nice.
Took half of each. Let's go, man. Appreciate it. They should be a lot of fun. I know I got the regular boosters out as well.
Mm-hmm.
If we want to see those, but yeah, deluxe. I got more deluxe I could put up too, but I figured I'd put up 2 for now.
We also have some on Fanatics as well.
Yes, we do.
We have energy break. We have pick your energy breaks in that.
Yes, we do.
As impossible as that seems, because you have to choose what you want, and that's a tough choice.
Yeah, it's nice though because everything has like cards to chase. Every
Yep.
energy.
That's right.
Every
One that you can truly chase your favorite, whatever your favorite type Pokemon type is.
Exactly.
Yep.
What type would you pick? I think I'm going dark.
I'd probably say fire or dark.
Dark, you get the
Yeah.
Or
Crocodile,
dragon. See, the thing is,
Flying, you
Dragon
get
Metal is
the
a great combo spot.
Crocodile. Dragon Metal's a phenomenal combo. spot.
Dragon Metal is amazing.
That Litwick is
Like this Litwick is awesome.
I'd
I
probably
love
say
it.
the fire because of Chandelure.
Yeah, the chandelier.
So the whole
Chandelure's cool.
Chandelure
I love
line.
the lamping too.
Yeah, the whole line is
Yeah.
just
The whole
great.
line, I love it.
Fantastic. Oh,
Cloister.
There we go.
Or Crustle, yeah.
I would also go fighting for those 2 cards.
Right?
The Dwebble and the Crustle are so good.
Like I said, the thing is with Dwebble and Crustle, they're probably gonna be
Oh,
cheap
Master Ball.
because they've both gotten illustration rares recently.
I love that Crustle so much. They're just using him as a little bit of a bridge.
Oh,
nice.
that's cool.
Nice Meloetta full art.
Full art.
Yeah, these are pretty, man.
Yeah, these are really nice cards.
Let me go grab Jake and we'll do our thing.
All right, Jake. Let's see what Marshall.
So again, like Chandelure is awesome. Lampwood, like the whole line, I love it.
Do you need the boxes, Isabella?
That's cool.
Do you need the boxes? All right, let me grab them. How many do you want?
That is cool. Yep, that's like, yeah, just Chandelure is just so cool. All right, the pull tabs on Black Bolt are not as good as the pull tabs on White Flare. I'm just putting it out there now because look at this. This is like 3 in a row where it just tears right in the corner. I don't know who's in charge of quality control at Pokemon, but take a better look at your Black Bolt. Oh, it's so cute. It's like the flying squirrel. Oh, what's his name? He's like the electric Pikachu that flies. Like, it's like he's just cool. I forget his name though. A manga? Wait, no, that's not that's Ga. What is this one? I forget this symbol. I should know it. Okay, it is Mo. I was just Emonga. Emonga. Thanks.
Josh is talking about wrestling gravy. I don't know. What do we get? The Amoga? Skladly. Not too shabby.
Yeah. Very nice.
Not too shabby.
I think you got some really cool stuff out of here.
Yeah, a little replay of the hits, Michael?
Sure.
A little replay of the hits for our guy Incognito. Here we go. Not
It's a little
bad.
replay. Like, this is just cool. This happy little squirrel. I love like the tech. Like, this is textured. Like these ones are cool.
They look so good.
Master Ball.
Yeah, I would say, man, this is a nice set to get a Friday fix for.
Yeah.
This is definitely a nice set.
This is the card that, like, I never really thought about, like, this Pokemon, how he would be in the wild.
Pharaoh Seed, yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm like, this actually makes a lot of sense.
Have
This
you
is how
seen,
you would find them.
Have you seen Pharaoh Thorn? The art
Yeah.
of that in the woods? Oh, so
It's
cool.
so cool.
So
I'm like, oh, this makes perfect sense. Like, this of how this Pokemon would be in the wild. And I'm like, oh. Just never thought of it before just playing the game.
There's so many cool Pokemon in Gen 5. So many.
I like this one because he's just... This is like some Dragon Ball Z level art.
Yeah,
where he's just
it
up
is.
in the mountains training. So yeah, this was a nice little... nice run here.
I would say.
Thanks a lot, Incognito. We'll get this stuff all dressed up and out to you soon.
Appreciate you, man. You have a great one.
Yeah, they would all be on
Absolutely.
YouTube and stuff. But
We
yeah.
can send you a
But we
link.
can send you the link.
We can send you a link. Here, just email them all too.
All right,
Incognito
will do.
will be good. We got you.
Yeah, we got you. I'll email them to you.